right click, save image as, right click, save image as, right click, copy image address. Wait, where is it? As you see, it's getting very boring, and that's why I created this extension. Instead of right clicking and searching for what you want, you simply put your cursor directly on the image and click Ctrl Shift C, and it's going to copy the image address. So I can paste it in a new. As you see, it copied it correctly. I can also Ctrl Shift S to save image as, and it is working completely fine. And of course it can work for the others, here for the panda and for JavaScript and for any image you want. To see full list of shortcuts you can use, go to extension gear and click on the extension. A pop-up window will appear with shortcuts you can do. If you want me to add any other shortcuts, write them in the comment section below. And just a quick note, this may not work in some cases. So if I try to download an image from Pixabay, Ctrl Shift S, it will tell me forbidden image, please download it manually. So sadly I have to right click and save image as, and that's because Pixabay requires authentication, and sadly I can't do anything about it. But what you can do is, instead of on the image here, you can from Google and Ctrl Shift S to download it. Finally, if you have an idea to improve the extension or want me to add any shortcuts, simply write your idea in the comment section below or open an issue in the GitHub page. And I hope you found this extension useful. If so, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.